Hello, Microsoft partners, and thank you for watching this webinar. My name is Kevin Martins, and I am one of over a dozen partner technical architects on the Modern Workplace team in the Microsoft One Commercial Partner organization. It is the goal of this team to work with Microsoft partners to build Microsoft-based solutions for their clients that can be sold as repeatable engagements to grow their business. These repeatable engagements and solutions help to drive utilization of Microsoft Teams, Azure consumption, and many other areas of the Microsoft Cloud. Microsoft partners win in CSP revenue and new services work, while Microsoft sellers get to retire quota on Microsoft Teams utilization, Azure consumption, and the Microsoft Power Platform. Over the next few minutes, I will provide you with an overview of several amazing new workshops our team has designed for only Microsoft managed partners. These are no-cost events designed to demonstrate new technologies and new ways of selling business solutions to help you grow your business. We want to see you at each one of these different events. My team and I have worked closely with Microsoft partners for many, many years, training them, helping them to build new repeatable solutions to sell, and making them even more successful by expanding existing practices and building new ones into new technology areas. To maximize our impact on partners throughout the United States, last year we developed a multi-day workshop focused on selling solutions using products in Microsoft 365. These multi-day events were designed to be highly interactive, full of stories, demonstrations, and suggestions about how to use the many capabilities of Microsoft 365 to grow your business. PowerPoint slides were not allowed at any one of these events. We want to be highly interactive and demonstration focused. The results of these events were amazing. Between January and May 2019, our team trained nearly 300 partners in over a dozen in-person events across the country. In every event, Microsoft partners were amazed at just what they did not know. They were inspired to learn and do far more with the help of our team. With the outstanding feedback and increase in Microsoft licensing and partner services work as a result of partners attending these events, our team has added even more of these events and new topics to focus on this year. Instead of focusing only on Microsoft 365, we have developed several additional workshops based on your feedback. These events are, again, highly interactive, full of new demonstrations, more stories, and so much more without PowerPoint. All of them are designed to help you, as Microsoft partners, grow your business in new and innovative ways. As you can see, we have designed and scheduled a series of in-person training events, as well as virtual events, for Microsoft partners who are managed in the One Commercial Partner organization. The locations of each event, the dates, and registration links are displayed on your screen. We will show this screen at the conclusion of this recording as well. These events are focused in 5 primary areas. Starting on the left, let's talk about the upsell, deliver, and adopt Microsoft 365 using Microsoft Teams and security. On day 1, we focus on Microsoft security, starting with telling you the Microsoft security story and how Microsoft is now considered one of the largest security companies on the planet. We then show you why with tons of demonstrations about Microsoft Advanced Threat Protection, Intune, Azure Information Protection, Identity Protection, and so much more. This is truly an eye-opening day of all about Microsoft security. On day 2, we focus on Microsoft Teams. We start with the fundamentals and infrastructure of Microsoft Teams. We then shift into more complex topics and business consulting opportunities in things such as Microsoft Teams Voice and the ability to transfer an organization's entire telecom infrastructure into the Office 365 cloud. We then talk about things such as Teams as a development platform and the amazing number of business consulting opportunities this represents. We also talk about the untapped market of over 2 billion frontline workers and how the simple, low-cost F1 SKU for Microsoft Teams is a great entry point into the market. Again, all of these are demonstrations and discussions with very little PowerPoint used. These sessions are designed for business leaders, decision makers, marketing teams, as well as technical personnel to introduce them to the many capabilities of Microsoft 365 that so many people are not aware of. Let's take a look at the Modern Workplace Technical Deep Dive events. One thing we heard from Microsoft partners in last year's events is that they would like to learn more at a deeper level. They were so inspired by what they saw that they said, hey, I'd love to engage with your facilitators to learn even more about these examples to train my technical team in implementations, as well as to train my sellers on these types of opportunities. So we designed this course to dive deeper into Microsoft security capabilities as well as those of Microsoft Teams. There are two-day events focused on Microsoft security scheduled for Dallas and Denver. Then there are two-day events focused on Microsoft Teams scheduled for Redmond as well as New York City. This event is designed for technical people looking for a much deeper focus on these topics. Please see the registration site for more information, including a detailed agenda. Up next, let's look at driving successful Microsoft Teams deployments. This deep dive event is all about how to drive a successful delivery of Microsoft Teams using many industry adoption models. We were always thinking about how to enable adoption as part of the implementation process with users. The content here may be applied to Microsoft Teams as well as just about any other deployment your company implements to customers. Up next, let's talk about Microsoft Teams deployment workshops, low to no code execution. This deep dive event is all about how to modernize the business processes that people have used for decades without any prior coding experience. You will learn how to design a Microsoft Power App and how to use Microsoft Flow. Consider an organization with employees who still submit time using a timesheet that is then emailed and then later combined by someone else on the back end. Imagine the amount of labor that's involved in that, not only on the front end by the employee, but also on the back end by another employee who has to combine all of these emailed spreadsheets together and then get them ready to upload to a payroll provider. A Power App provides a much better user experience, security, as well as a tremendous amount in saved labor on that back end. Everyone has old processes like this that you can custom develop a solution for without the need of a development team. This session is perfect for architects and consultants with a desire to help build business solutions, but again, without that development background. These events are being taught at multiple Microsoft locations throughout the United States. Up next, let's talk about Microsoft Teams development workshops from a full code development standpoint. This is a much deeper dive event that is all about how to build full stack applications using the Microsoft Teams development platform. These are custom engagements focused primarily on ISV partners. Development experience is highly recommended to attend this course. Please see the registration link for more information and a full agenda. Additionally, we also spend time talking about how you can use the marketing collateral we've already developed to get you directly into market. In many cases, we have templates already pre-designed can use to enter your logo and contact information, from simple designs such as this to entire playbooks to enable you to be successful, along with the help from the skilled resources on our team. So look, we know that committing to this type of multi-day training is asking a lot of you. It is our hope and our goal to enable you, our Microsoft partners, to grow your business. Please consider registering for an event near you using one of the event registration links displayed. This event is only provided for Microsoft partners who are managed in the One Commercial Partner program. There is no cost to attend these events, and meals are provided. If you have any questions, please contact your Microsoft Partner Development Manager, your Partner Technical Strategist, or email our team at mwpboot@microsoft.com. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing you at an event sometime soon.